For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video.
सोनू निगम ने अभी हाल ही में एक बयान दिया है जिसपे काफी कंट्रोवर्सी हुई है। 4 दिन से टेलीविजन पे वही चल रहा है।
What is that?
अजान जो सुबह होती है 5 बजे या कोई भी गुरुद्वारे में या टेंपल में जो आवाज़ें आती हैं उसकी वजह से लोगों को बड़ा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, लोग परेशान होते हैं।
See, I can't speak for anyone, but I personally love अजान। जब हम लोग तनु मनु 2 की शूटिंग भी कर रहे थे लखनऊ में, so I loved the sound of it. I can only speak for myself. और कोई भी रिलीजियस एक्टिविटी हो, चाहे वो गुरुद्वारे में हो या भगवत गीता हो या अजान हो, मुझे पर्सनली बहुत पसंद है। और मैं हर जगह जो है वो जाती हूँ, चाहे वो कोई मस्जिद हो, चाहे टेंपल हो, चाहे वो चर्च हो। तो हम लोग तो क्रिसमस मास में भी चले जाते हैं हर जगह। सो बहुत ज़्यादा है नहीं आवाज़। So I can only speak for myself, but that's not to say that what he's saying should not be considered. That's his opinion, and he should be respected for that. And I think that's the idea of bringing it to social media, isn't it? So it can be discussed. If that answers your question.
हमने जो ट्वीट किया है उसके बारे में आपका क्या रिएक्शन है? क्या
मैं तो अमेरिका में थी, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता। सबसे पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मैं वापस घर आई हूँ। पूरा क्वांटिको का सीजन भी ख़त्म किया, बहुत वक्त घर से बाहर रही हूँ। आई एम जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी। मुंबई की गर्मी और यहाँ के लोग, यहाँ की स्मेल, आई एम जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी कि मैं घर जाऊँ।
रिसेंटली जो डिबेट चल रही है बॉलीवुड में, सोनू निगम ने जो ट्वीट किया है उसके बारे में आपका क्या रिएक्शन है? क्या
मैं तो अमेरिका में थी, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता।
अरे सेल्फी साइड हो ना, अरे सेल्फी साइड हो, अरे रुको शब्दा यार 5
मैम, सोनू निगम ने जो लाउड स्पीकर के ऊपर कहा है
उसके ऊपर मुझे नहीं बोलना है।
आपके लिए कुछ कहता है कोई तो you get hurt, like probably you must have also.
See, I don't like to comment on that, but somebody keeps on talking something against me, something not a nice comment on me. I should not keep quiet. That's what my people, my very close journalist also, they told me I should take up this matter by giving importance to those people, those kind of people whom nobody knows about them. So they get a mileage, right? By talking about me or any celebrity. So I was told that I'm going to take up this matter. Whoever spoke something nonsense, so I have to take up.
बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि मस्जिद में अजान तो होनी चाहिए पर लाउड स्पीकर नहीं होना चाहिए। सर, आपके बारे में क्या कहना है? आप इससे कितना सहमत हैं?
मेरा ऐसा ख्याल है कि किसी भी जगह, चाहे वो मस्जिद हो, मंदिर हो, चर्च हो, गुरुद्वारा हो, वहाँ अपनी इबादत करिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन शुड नॉट डिस्टर्ब अदर्स। मेरा ऐसा ख्याल है कि किसी भी जगह, चाहे वो मस्जिद हो, मंदिर हो, चर्च हो, गुरुद्वारा हो, वहाँ अपनी इबादत करिए, बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन शुड नॉट डिस्टर्ब अदर्स। कोई भी जगह।
दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड्स जो मुंबई में मिला है वो दिल्ली में भी मिलते हैं, लेकिन इस बार मेरे ख्याल से नहीं मिलते हैं।
इस बार किसी को मिल ही नहीं रहा, ऐसा कैसे होता है? अनाउंस नहीं हुआ होगा, अभी तक मिलेगा।
सर, अभी लाल बत्ती बैन किया गया है गवर्नमेंट से, उसके बारे में क्या रहा है?
हाँ, कोई हरज नहीं, अच्छी बात है, क्या जरूरत है? लाल बत्ती जो वैसे ही खतरे का निशान होती है।
The Dabangg tour has created ripples in Hong Kong and roping in Aki as a surprise element. After a rocking performance in Hong Kong, the team has now moved to Auckland, and there too they had a houseful show with delighted spectators. The Bengali beauty Bipasha Basu posted a sneak peek video of her performance with Salman on Instagram. The two grooved to Salman's hit number Hangover. Bibbs also shared the stage with Indian Michael Jackson Prabhu Deva. Another video that went viral was that of Bibbs with Dabangg girl Sonakshi Sinha, Daisy Shah, Rabba Badshah and others rocking at the dance floor. The group shook a leg to a power-packed performance to Selfie Lele Re from Bajrangi Bhaijaan. The performance was indeed electrifying and we are really pining for more. Aren't you? Share your thoughts in the comment section and keep watching this space for more of. It seems that B-Town is learning some lessons and trying to avoid clashes. This Diwali, for instance, fireworks were supposed to fly when not 2 but 3 titans were about to clash at the box office. One was the Rajnikant and Akshay Kumar starrer 2.0, the other was Ajay Devgan and Rohit Shetty's famous franchise Golmaal Again, and last of all, perfectionist Aamir Khan's secret superstar. But now it seems that the Thalaiva and the Khiladi have backed out of the race to avert the clash. The big budget special effects wonder has been pushed to January 2018, where it will enjoy releasing on 25th, a day before the Republic Day. Trade analyst Taran Adarsh has officially shared this news via a tweet which stated, #breaking news, #2.0 will not release in Diwali 2017. Team wishes to achieve world-class standards in VFX, now 25th January 2018 release. While there is a chance of the film 2.0 now clashing with Neeraj Pandey's Ayari, well, what is your take on this new clash? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman is now seen in his Dabangg tour, and wherever he goes, he ensures that there is sufficient time for his fans and other interested people. Well, this is indeed interesting, for the tour has some of the best and more to come. After its shoot in Hong Kong, Salman began his Dabangg tour after he came back from Austria and finished the shoot in Yash Raj Studios in Mumbai. Salman is shooting for his upcoming year-end release Tiger Zinda Hai with Katrina Kaif and now has gone to New Zealand for his Dabangg tour. Here he is seen posing with the hotel staff, and he sure has given them the memorable caution that they can take back and treasure. Salman would be releasing his Eid release Tube Light, and it is interesting to see his permanent fan following always. Henna, Salman's body double in Tiger Zinda Hai got hurt while shooting for a road sequence in Salman's upcoming movie. Well, it is indeed sad that the Salman's body double fractured his ribs while shooting. The shooting wrapped after the shot got okayed, only the body double got injured to the point that Salman even cancelled his shoot for a day. Obviously, the mood got dampened and everyone was feeling bad. As we know, Salman is getting ready with some high-octane scenes in Austria for Tiger Zinda Hai, and he needed a body double for some scenes. Well, we do know Salman thrives in action scenes, but maybe he required help in some. Well, let us only pray that he gets well soon. Salman is also getting ready with his upcoming Eid release Tube Light. We do know that he would take good care of his body double while he is recovering. है ना?
हाय दोस्तों, मैं हूं अली कुली मिर्ज़ा। ये 1-2 दिन से जो सोनू निगम के ऊपर जो कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है, ये सुनने के बाद मैं बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हूँ, और ये बहुत नंदनीय है कि इतने बड़े सुपरस्टार सिंगर जिन्होंने 10 से 15 साल बॉलीवुड में राज किया, उनके मुंह से ऐसा सुनने को मिले कि ये गुंडागर्दी है, ये अजान की आवाज़ से मैं उठ जाता हूँ और ऐसा है, मानते नहीं है। अब मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, सोनू निगम जी जो हैं वो गाज़ियाबाद और यूपी से आए हैं, उनके एंसेस्टर्स वो सब वहाँ पर रहे हैं। वहाँ पर एक तरफ मंदिर है, एक तरफ मस्जिद है, सुबह आरती होती है, अजान होती है, उस वक्त उनकी नींद क्यों नहीं खुली है? ये अगर पब्लिसिटी स्टंट अगर उनको इस कैरियर के दौर में अगर ये ज़रूरत पड़ रही है, तो मैं समझता हूँ बहुत ही अफसोस की बात है। इतने बड़े स्टार होकर क्या वो जाके मिडल ईस्ट में शो नहीं करते? क्या वो दुबई में शो नहीं करते? क्या वो अबू धाबी में शो नहीं करते? क्या वो मस्कत में शो नहीं करते? उस वक्त उनकी जब वहाँ पर अजान होती है तो उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी। ये प्रॉब्लम आज नहीं आई है, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अफसोस में हूँ कि ये सब चीज़ें एक पब्लिसिटी स्टंट बनाई जाती है, एक धार्मिक एंगल लगाया जाता है। तो आई यूज्ड टू बी इस बिग फ़ैन, मैं उनका बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन था, गाने सुनता था और रिस्पेक्ट करता था, लेकिन अब आज वो सारी रिस्पेक्ट मेरी नज़रों में चली गई है, बिकॉज उनसे मैंने ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था। इतने अच्छे अच्छे गाने उन्होंने गाए हैं, उन्होंने मुस्लिम गाने गाए, हिंदू गाने गाए, सारे गाए। हम कलाकार हैं, कलाकारों का कोई धर्म नहीं होता। हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सारा प्ले करना पड़ता है हमें। आज मैं माता की चौकी में भी गाता हूँ, मैं नात भी पढ़ता हूँ, मैं परफॉर्मेंस भी करता हूँ, बीइंग ए कलाकार, और वो भी वो करते हैं, उन्होंने भी किया है। अगर ये सब करने के लिए, पब्लिसिटी करने के लिए इस एंगल में ये करना है, तो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स अ गुड आइडिया। तो बस ये कहना चाहूँगा, सोनू निगम, ग्रो अप, प्लीज़ ऐसी स्टंट ना करें।
Baby Ahil is a mini celebrity already. Having rung in his first birthday in style at Maldives, Ahil then travelled to Hong Kong with the entire Khandan to kickstart Salman Khan's The Bang International Tour. While in Hong Kong, Mahmood Salman made it a point to take Ahil around, much to the delight of the fans and of course the little munchkin himself. And now it seems that indulgent Mamu has gifted his pyara bhatija Ahil with a new car. Yes, you heard it right. Just look at Ahil's delighted look as he poses in his new prized possession. Well, we wonder if Mahmood Salman will start giving Ahil driving lessons. Knowing Salman's driving skills, we hope not. Well, jokes apart, we do hope that Salman ensures that Ahil grows to be a responsible and safe person while behind the wheels. Well, we will definitely have to wait till he turns 18 to know that. But meanwhile, don't forget to share your comments on Ahil and his new car. Bollywood celebs who often come together and stand up against injustice seem to have divided opinions on the unfortunate Sonu Nigam tweet controversy. While some of them have come out in support of the singer, others have strongly condemned the tweet and openly criticized Sonu for his words. But most celebs have taken a very diplomatic stand and refrained from making any comment on the issue altogether. This seems to have irked filmmaker Vivek Agnihotri to no end, and he blasted at Bollywood insiders and tweeted, "What happened to Bollywood's champions of free speech? Because Sonu Nigam is not a sycophant of your club, so no support to him. Hypocrites." In response, Sonu replied, "Brother Vivek Agnihotri, a herd of cattle is always bigger than a pride of lions." Now that's quite a heavy statement. So do you agree with Vivek's stand? Do let us know what you feel about this by commenting in the section below. Having enjoyed tremendous success in Hong Kong, the Dabangg team has now moved to Auckland, where they will be having their next show. Here we see a picture of Sultan Salman Khan with dusky beauty Bipasha Basu, dancing expert Daisy Shah, and of course master entertainer Manish Paul. The entire team of the Dabangg tour are presently in Auckland and are gearing up to enthrall their fans. Numerous rehearsal videos of the team have been doing the rounds, and we await some magical ones from Auckland too. The entourage will then head to Australia and Malaysia as well. Fans in Auckland are in a tizzy welcoming their Dabangg Khan, and we are sure that just like Hong Kong, the Auckland leg of the tour too will be quite exciting. Henna, let us know what you think by commenting in the section below. Sonu Nigam's tweet on the ban of use of loudspeakers during Azan has stirred up quite a controversy, and while the singer still stands by his statement, he has earned the ire of industry insiders and others as well. Sajid and Wajid Khan had been especially vocal about their displeasure, while Pooja Bhatt seemed to be quite cynical about the whole incident. But surprisingly, Salman Khan has stood by Sonu Nigam and supported this stand. This happened because Sonu had categorically cleared the air, stating that he was against the use of loudspeakers and not against Azan. While protesters didn't seem too convinced and were hell-bent on making it a political issue, Salman Khan has stuck his guns and maintained that he will stand by Sonu despite earning flack for his supposedly anti-Islamic act. While we wonder if Salman's open support to Sonu Nigam will help to thaw the issue, or will it continue to flare, burning more in its wake? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan's mother Salma Khan's name is mentioned in the tube light poster. And with Salman in a very impish, mischievous look, things seems to be really sorted out for the actor, who would also be seen in his upcoming year-end release Tiger Zinda Hai with Katrina Kaif. We love Salman's movies, for they are full of charm and spunk and filled with action. However, Tube Light would see a different Sallu winning over the odds and see how good he can make way for some of the best for his fans. Alright, So get geared for the movie, and with his mother's name included in the poster, Salman only shows how much he loves her. We have seen how Salman's family has stood by his side always, and his mom has always been a source of strength. She will obviously be so for the film too. What do you have to say about this?